Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can link your account on Doodle with your Google Calendar account. So let us dive into this. Start by navigating to doodle.com, of course. Log into your account, and here in the top right, click into your user icon and choose Account Settings. You will find a Google Calendar under Connected Calendars here, right? So as you can see, I'm already connected, so let me disconnect it for the sake of this tutorial and show you how it's done. So choose one of these calendars, these external calendars. I'm going to go with Google Calendar. Then choose the associated Google account, give the permission to connect it with Doodle, and wait to get redirected to that overview. And as you can see, guys, here Google Calendar is now connected, so that, for example, if you create an event here on a Doodle, this may be added to your calendar on Google Calendar, and also your invited meeting participants may receive then an invitation via Google Calendar, for example, as well. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Got somebody from it, and we'll catch you later.